Hello, welcome to Muckman Movies. This is just a special little video to say thank you to Delboy over on Delboy 3K1. He kindly sent me a package. So without further ado, I'm going to open this after this. Yep, so here we go. I'm going to open this. Over on Ian Hill Ramblings, they have a Wednesday night live stream, him and Delboy. We got discussing the original film. This is the sequel that Delboy sent me. We were discussing the original, and I said I'd got the intention of picking this sequel up, but he kindly offered to send me his spare copy. He'd ordered this and received 2 copies by accident. So he so kindly offered to send me this. I'm sure I'll reciprocate the favour down the line, but yeah, it's such a kind thing to do. He's got a great channel, so if you're into your gaming, and go and check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the details below. He likes to play retro games quite a bit, and he takes recommendations from people. Generally does a good job, although sometimes he struggles with some of the older games. But it's fun watching him struggle and squirm in his seat. There's lots of expletives as he plays some of these games. But yeah, Delboy's great. Go check out his channel. He also does a vlog on a Sunday. So yeah, go check him out. But yeah, so I've opened the package up, and he has nicely and kindly sent me Smile 2 4K Steelbook. He knows I love my Steelbooks just like he does. So let's open this up. So I've only just recently, and this is how it cropped up, I've only just recently watched the first film, like the end of January. Absolutely loved it. The first film is my sort of horror. It's a supernatural horror. You've got this unseen entity following the protagonist. The protagonist's the only person that can see this thing. Like, she's basically cursed in the film. Rosie, is she called Rosie? Rosie Bacon, I think. She was brilliant. Actually, I don't think it is Rosie Bacon. I'll put it up just after I've stopped recording. It's not Rosie. She plays Rosie. I can't remember her first name, actually. Hold on, I've got it here. Whether it tells me or not. Oh no, Dr. Rose Cotter is played by Sosie Bacon. Getting the Rosie and the Sosie all mixed up. But yeah, this is the original, which I'd already had, and it took me a while to watch it. And that's the steelbook from Del. So there's quite a nice bit of writing. It's the last thing you'll see on the back. And this is a 4K and Blu-ray. But yeah, I loved the first film. Follows very similar tropes to It Follows, which I also absolutely love. I know It Follows has got a bit of a love-hate reputation. Some people love it and some people hate it. I just love it. There's like an ominous atmosphere that runs all the way through the film, much like Smile. So I just love Smile and It Follows, and I can't wait to watch this. This is supposed to be even better than the original. So yeah, thank you, Del. It's very much appreciated. Absolutely made up with this. Just means I don't have to wait another 4 or 5 months until I was going to wait till the price came down on this, so I was going to wait, prepared to wait 4 or 5 months for it to come down in price, but Dell was so kind to send me this. So yeah, let me know what you think of the Smile films. Do not give me any spoilers on this one though, but feel free to let me know what you think of the film. I know it's a lot of people have said it's better than the original, and I loved the original. So yeah, really looking forward to it. When I've got a spare afternoon or an evening, definitely going to watch this one. Thanks a lot, Delboy. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and leave me a like. It all helps get my videos and content out into the YouTube world. Thanks for watching, and thank you again, Delboy.